Hello, beautiful people. I hope that you are doing well today. So I wanted to take a minute to show everyone a very cool tool that we have access to through our RHISD email accounts. And this tool will allow us to call our teachers and ask for any help that we may need to complete our work. The nice thing about it is you will be able to see your teacher, she will be able to see you, so that she can show you the strategies that you need to use in order to solve your problems, and you can show her your work so she can see, or he can see, how they can help you. So the way that we're going to access this tool is by going to RHISD.net. And once we're on the RHISD webpage, you're going to go to this icon right here that says Office 365. And you're going to access it using your school email address account. Now your school email address is your ID number at RHISD.net. And it's important for you to use your student email address because this will allow your teacher to know who's calling. Right here you enter your password, and your password is capital STU and then your birthday. So 2 digits for your month, 2 digits for your day, and 2 digits for your year. Now once you're logged on to your student email account, you're going to want to find this icon right here that is named Teams. Once you are in the Teams platform, you'll notice right here any classes that you are grouped in will be labeled or will have their own icon here. But even if you're not currently in a meeting, you can call your teacher. So all you need to do to call your teacher is click this button right here that says call, and then you are going to come down here and make a call. And right here you can type my name, so McIver MC and you'll notice that my name will pop up right here on top. So again, start typing MCI and my name will pop up right here on top. I click that and my name will be here, and then I move down here and I click video call. It may ask you right here to allow the video. Of course, boys and girls, please get your parents' permission for this. But once you click that, it will call me. And you can hear on my other laptop that my phone is ringing. So that is how you can make a phone call to your teacher to ask for help. I hope that helps, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye.